Hello kids! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Junior Joy TV. I am your teacher, Emma. Today, we will learn about different types of body parts name. So let's start. Head. Head. Eyes. Eyes. Eyebrows. Eyebrows. Nose. Ear. Ear. Tongue. Tongue. Lips. Lips. Teeth. Teeth. Mouth. Mouth. Hair. Hair. Chin. Chin. Hands. Hands. Fingers. Fingers. Nails. Nails. Legs. Legs. Knees. Knees. Toe. Toe. Shoulder. Shoulder. Chest. Chest. Neck. Neck. Body. Body. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! See you in next video.